Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Your first question is: in a compound, the elements are always present in a proportion determined by dash. Answer is option C, mass. What is the rhythmic contraction of the muscle layer that pushes food through the esophagus called? Answer is option B, peristalsis. In Microsoft, what is used in superscript and subscript under character formatting? Answer is option A, effects. Which of the following information is found in the inscriptions of Ashoka? Answer is option D, all options are correct. Means foreign policy, internal policy and life story. A collective term used by Jains for their scriptures is? Answer is option C, Agams. Bahadur Shah, the ruler of Gujarat, was killed in a conflict with which of the following? Answer is option A, Portuguese. What is the approximate distance between the two latitudes? Answer is option B, 111 kilometer. What is Syzygy? Answer is option C, position of sun, earth and moon in a straight line. China has the longest border with which of the following countries? Answer is option A, Mongolia. The Attorney General of India is the dash of the Government of India. Answer is option B, Chief Law Officer. In India, which of the following bodies is constitutional in nature? Answer is option D, Finance Commission. Which of the following did not happen during the time of Lord Curzon? Answer is option B, Constitution of Hunter Commission. In which session of the Congress was the slogan of boycotting the Simon Commission given? Answer is option B, Madras Session 1927. Which of the following represents the pair of sex chromosomes in males? Answer is option C, XY. The competitive position of a company can be improved by dash. Answer is option A, understanding and meeting customer needs. Deficit financing means that the government borrows money from dash. Answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Who among the following is considered to have helped Ashoka to capture the throne after the death of Bindusara? Answer is option D, Radha Gupta. In which of the following pillars the work done by Ashoka for the fulfillment of Dhamma policy is described? Answer is option C, column article 7. Which of the following is credited with laying the foundation of Muslim rule in the Indian subcontinent? Answer is option B, Muhammad Ghori. Which of the following tax gives maximum revenue to the Government of India? Friends, if the video is looking good, then you will definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share friends. Here answer is option C, corporate tax. Which poison caused Itai disease in Japan? Answer is option C, cadmium. In which of the following years the Hindu Widow Remarriage Act was enacted? Answer is option A, 1856. The State Financial Corporations Act, which provided for the establishment of state financial corporations, was passed in? Answer is option D, 1951. Sasthamkotta Lake is located in which of the following Indian state? Answer is option B, Kerala. In the context of cloud computing, what is the full form of PaaS? Answer is option B, platform as a service. Dolomite is an ore of which of the following metals? Answer is option A, magnesium. In which year the Central Revenue Act was implemented in India? Answer is option D, 1963. Indira Sagar Dam, a concrete gravity dam, is located in which Indian state? Answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. For what special reason is Pingali Venkaiah remembered even today? Answer is option C, he designed the Indian national flag. When pressure is applied to a fluid, the pressure change is transmitted to each part of the fluid without loss. Which of the following laws explains this phenomenon? Answer is option A, Pascal's law. The terms systolic and diastolic are used to refer to dash. Answer is option C, measuring blood pressure. Where is Valley of Flowers National Park located? Answer is option B, Uttarakhand. Which of the following physical quantities is measured in Siemens? Answer is option D, electrical conductivity. What is the other name of Narasimhavarman I, who was the most famous ruler of Pallava dynasty? Answer is option C, Mahamalla. Which of the following was the capital of the Chola dynasty famous for the cotton trade? Answer is option A, Urayur. Which of the following rulers built the famous Grand Trunk Road running from Calcutta to Peshawar? Answer is option B, Sher Shah. What is the process of finding errors in a program called? Answer is option C, debugging. Diamond does not conduct electricity due to which of the following reasons? Answer is option B, due to the absence of free electrons. Which of the following gas is used to make bleaching powder? Answer is option B, chlorine. The Kyoto Protocol, an international treaty extended by the UNFCCC in the year 1992, is related to? Answer is option A, reducing the onset of global warming.